Hello students, you all are welcome in English class, standard 6th, and our topic is determiners. In previous lecture, we have learned about different types of determiners, predeterminers, postdeterminers and central determiners. Today we will do the exercise of it. Okay, let's start the exercise. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences with suitable determiners. Okay, first one is, the answer is there. None of them has a pen. Okay, so here none is a determiner. Okay, so next one, I do not have dash money left in my purse. So you have to write over here the correct determiner. So we will write over here quantifier. So here any money left in my purse. Do you want to drink this water? So this is a demonstrative determiner. So you will write over here this water, and this is a demonstrative determiner. A few students have not submitted their projects yet. Here A is an article, and here article is a role of determiners. Okay, I go to school 6 days a week. Here 6 is a quantifier determiners. First, 2, 3. Okay, here is 6 a number. कुछ मात्रा में दिखा रहा है तो you can write over here 5, 6, 2, whatever you want to write over here. Yes, dash are the photographs I was looking for. So we will write over here those are, because these and these it's not come to here. So those are the photographs I want looking for. Here those is which kind of determiner? It's a demonstrative, निर्देशक है ये. Those are the photographs I was looking for. Whose book is this? Here whose is a interrogative determiner. Okay, so we will write over here the determiner interrogative form of whose. Many tourists go to Agra just to see the Taj Mahal. यहाँ पे लिखा है many, and many is a quantifier determiner. Next is, would you like dash jam on your toast? So we will write over here some jam, because we cannot count the jam. So we will write over here some, and some is quantifier determiner. We can't count jam. So we will write over here कुछ मात्रा में. तो मात्रा वाले जो जो डिटर्मिनर्स है वो आपको मैंने सिखाए हैं. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है क्वांटिफायर्स सम, मैनी, फ्यू, अ लॉट ऑफ, सेवरल, 1, 2, 3, all, both, first, second, third, next, last and any. So you have to write over here the perfect determiners in the blanks. How dash meters are there in the kilometers? So how many meters? So many is come over here as a determiner. Exercise 2. Complete these sentences with central determiners. Okay, and I taught you that central determiners are always before a noun. Okay, the form of article, possessive, demonstrative, quantifier and interrogative. These are the central determiners, are always before a noun. Okay, so you have to remember it, and you have to write over here the perfect answer. This is the bag. The is article, but here the is a article as a form of determiner. Look there. That is an elephant. So that is come over here. The poster that my brother made won the first prize. You will write over here the possessive adjective his also, her brother also, my brother, his brother or her brother. You can write over here my or his or her. Whatever you want to write, you can write over here. There is a chance it will rain today. Okay, there is a chance. A is article, but here a is a determiner. Let us spend some time solving this crossword. Here sum is quantifier, मात्रा में बताता है, समय को मात्रा में दिखाया गया है, some time. Which class won the prize for debate this year? Here which is a interrogative form of determiner. I did not like these trousers. So you can write over here these. The plural form is here, so you can write over here these. Whose bag is lying on the table? So here whose bag. Whose is interrogative form of determiner. So these are the central determiners. Okay, it's come before a noun. Bag is a noun, so it will come before a noun. You can see over here brother is a noun. Okay, so my, his, her is a possessive adjective. It will come over before a noun. So next one, I have visited many cities outside India. Okay, so here many is a quantifier determiner. I like to play several kinds of board games. So here several is a quantifier determiners. Exercise number 3, complete these sentences with determiners. So on weekends he reads the Sunday Times. Here the is the article but the form of determiners. Second one, she wants to learn a lot of money. She wants to earn a lot of money and then travel around the world. So the answer will come over here, a lot of. Okay, next one, did you buy the present for Amir? So here the will come over here as a determiner. He passed in first test but failed in the last one. फर्स्ट टेस्ट में पास हुआ बट लास्ट टेस्ट में फेल हो गया. बट ओवर हियर फर्स्ट इज क्वांटिफायर. ओके, देन द पुलिस क्वेश्चन वन पैसेंजर. सो द आंसर इज वन पैसेंजर. He has lot of photographs of his childhood days. Okay, you can write instead of lot of, you can write over here a few. He has a few photographs of his childhood days. So answer will become over here a lot of or a few photographs. A lot of photographs or a few photographs. Both answer will come in blank. 7 number, there is only a little water left in the jug. So here a little is a quantifier determiner. Then 8 number, is there dash change of any rain? This one is questioning form, so we will write over here, is there any chance of rain today? Okay, then this is his first trip to America. You can write over here, this is his second trip to America. Whatever you want to write, you can write over here. So we have done exercise number 1, 2 and 3. You have to write this exercise in your English grammar book and send a photo in the group. Thank you.